here with my friend Laurent Zarate. He is the chef and owner of Fleur de Sel, a creperie here in Spokane, and also another restaurant called Fleur de Sel as well.
Yes.
And French chef.
Really? Do I have an accent?
A little bit of an accent. A little bit of an accent.
Okay.
And we're here at the beautiful kitchen at Second Harvest
Fantastic
Food
setup.
Bank. I know. And you've been here before. You
I do.
teach
I
classes.
teach a once a month class for their customers, and it is a great program. It allows people to put hands on, to do simple food, simple meal, like my mom used to cook. And I take always this example. You can do wonders with nothing.
Right.
And that's what she did all her life.
So do you grab food from the food bank,
Yeah.
and that's what you use
Exactly.
to,
So we
to
improvise.
create your dishes? Yeah.
We shop in the warehouse. Whatever there is, there is.
I love it.
And we make a menu.
Yeah.
We make an appetizer, a main course, and a dessert. And they cook their own meal. They take it home, and it's fantastic. It's a way for me to give back what I received in my cooking experience, and I love it. I love it.
Well, I'm excited because we've got some Washington apples.
Oh, yeah.
We've got some beautiful cheese here. What are we going to make?
Well, we're gonna make something very easy.
Okay, I
but
like
very
that.
tasty. It could be an appetizer, it could be your cheese course.
Okay.
It could be anything you want, a snack for the kids. And like you said, Washington apples, the best in the world. And I'm gonna use one of the wonder of the world
It is a wonder of
kitchen
the world.
tool. My mom, when she came the first time in the United States to visit me, she saw that and she went, this is fantastic. I had
Feel
to
some
buy one for her.
You did.
Because these things
Well, yeah.
crawl,
Let me see you
peel,
use it. So
and slice your apple in one motion. So I
Really?
love it, and we want to have that apple cold because we're gonna fill it with that beautiful cheese from Othello.
Laurent shows me how to peel and core our apples.
that's it.
Perfect. It's cold. It's sliced.
That is the coolest thing ever.
I know.
Next, we prepare some puff pastry dough to wrap our apples in.
Time you do something with puff pastry that you want the puff pastry to stick to something, the importance is to put egg wash inside, like this.
Inside.
We are going to put the apple. We're gonna bring the dough to the apple, and it's gonna stick to it.
This is kind of fun.
Yes.
I like this.
We are going to put.
So now mine doesn't look very pretty right now. Is that okay?
Listen, it doesn't look pretty right now. As
Yeah.
soon as it's gonna cook, it's gonna look delicious and
Beautiful.
yummy.
Okay.
And it's home cooking.
Yeah, right?
It's casual, it's family, it's a share thing. I mean, yours looks better than mine, actually. We're gonna egg wash it again on the outside.
Make it golden.
Exactly, shiny and golden. One of my favorite, I know it's everybody's favorite, but just to mention, the Honey Crisp is just so good. They are so good.
Have you heard of the Cosmic Crisp yet?
Oh, that sounds
It's
good.
new.
Oh.
It's new and coming soon.
We crumble the blue cheese and stuff it into the core of the apples.
How much? Just until it's
Just
full?
stuff it.
Stuff it.
And even
What
if
is it about apples and cheese that tastes so good together?
I think, a little glass of Walla Walla wine with that, and we are
with ya.
set.
When they are stuffed and ready, we put our apples into the oven to bake for about 45 minutes. When the apples are done, they look and smell delicious.
Woo!
And they are just beautiful. Hot, it's melted.
It is.
Now it's time to enjoy.
Okay, it's time to enjoy.
We have some house-made apricot jam from Minacci.
Oh,
We're
lovely.
gonna put this right on top like this.
Yum.
Little sprig of thyme. Why?
Why?
Why not?
Why not? Look at that, it's so soft and yummy.
And it's melting.
Oh, yes it is.
Cheers.
Cheers. The cheese is really salty. But the apples
Sweet.
are nice and sweet. So it totally balances out. It's so good and so easy.
I know.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Christy.
To get Laurent's recipe for stuffed Washington apples, head over to wagrown.com.